Retail healthcare. I've heard of that term, but what does it mean? Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Katrina Mattingly, and I'm the Chief Medical Officer here at Options Medical Weight Loss. Now, Options Medical Weight Loss is a retail healthcare practice. That means that we are able to treat you directly, quickly, and more efficiently than going through the traditional pathways of an insurance-based practice. Now, all of us have gone to the doctor and tried to use our copays, or maybe you're in between jobs and you don't have insurance at this time. Options Medical Weight Loss makes it possible to fill in that void, making our weight loss and weight maintenance treatments affordable and available to you when you don't have to go through the insurance and wait for a pre-approval process or the pre-authorization process. It's really helpful in helping our patients to get started with treatment on day one. We also don't have to go through the weeks and weeks of visits and documentation sometimes that it takes for the insurance companies to finally approve a treatment or a therapy or a protocol that may be appropriate for you. It allows us greater freedom and flexibility to just go ahead and get what you need and to make recommendations that you're able to start right away. At Options, we do have a variety of both prescription and non-prescription weight loss and weight management programs that we're able to start you on. For the prescription programs, sometimes we do send up your prescriptions to the commercial pharmacies, and then other times we send them to our partner compounding pharmacies. Now, our partner compounding pharmacies do have FDA regulations that do have to guide the processing and the distribution of the medications that come from those specific pharmaceutical facilities. If you're interested in learning more about Options Medical Weight Loss, and maybe you're that person where insurance has said, no, we know that you maybe fit into the overweight or obese category, but we're not gonna pay, then Options is your viable alternative. Come to us, let us treat you. Let us treat you now, let us treat you right away, let us treat you to the best of our ability so we can get you started on the pathway to a better life. Click the link below if you're interested for a free consultation. At Options, we have options for everybody.
Did you like this video? Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you can stay up to date on our latest videos. You can also visit our website using the link below to schedule a free consultation with us. We have options for everybody.